It's finally happened. After years of shipping Ultra models powered only by Snapdragon processors, Samsung is officially bringing back Exynos for the Galaxy S26 Ultra next year. And honestly, this feels like a massive win, not just for Samsung and its foundry, but for everyone who's been waiting to see the brand reclaim its true potential. Why is this such a big deal? Simple. The Exynos 2600 chipset absolutely knocks the socks off every rival out there, whether it's Snapdragon or even Apple's latest silicon. Yes, there are some controversial design changes coming with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but a return to Exynos feels like a return to form, a bold statement that Samsung is ready to prove itself again. The last time we saw an Exynos processor in an Ultra model was way back in 2022 with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Since then, it's been all Snapdragon. Until now. Everything changes with the S26 Ultra. This time, the Exynos 2600 will power specific regional variants, and for the first time ever, those getting the Exynos model might actually be the lucky ones. Samsung Foundry built the Exynos 2600 on its brand new 2nm manufacturing process, a massive technological leap that puts it far ahead of the current 3nm chips. And the results? Absolutely jaw-dropping. According to leaked performance scores and early benchmarks, the Exynos 2600 doesn't just compete, it dominates. It outperforms Apple's A19 Pro, the chip inside the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's reportedly 6 times faster in AI processing. 6 times. It also beats the A19 Pro in multi-core performance by 15% and delivers a staggering 75% boost in graphics power. And that's not all. The Exynos 2600 also takes the crown from Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which powers most of today's premium flagships. The Exynos chip is said to be 30% better at AI processing and nearly 29% faster in graphics performance. Those numbers alone are enough to send a strong message. Samsung is back in the game. The shift to 2nm architecture clearly played a critical role in this breakthrough. But it's more than just a technical win. It's a redemption story. Samsung has worked tirelessly for this moment. For years, Exynos was ridiculed, mocked, and written off by critics who said Samsung should just give up on making its own processors. There was a time when hope genuinely seemed lost, when the company's foundry business was struggling and clients were slipping away. Samsung even had to offer huge discounts just to stay afloat. It was a painful cycle, one that looked almost impossible to escape. But now, that same foundry has pulled off something incredible. The 2nm Exynos 2600 feels like the comeback moment many of us have been waiting for. I've always believed Samsung could have its own Apple Silicon moment, the kind of transformation that happens when a company perfects its own hardware, year after year, and proves it can stand toe-to-toe with the best in the world. Sure, the old stigma around Exynos chips still lingers, and it'll probably take time for people to trust it again. But this is Samsung's chance to change that narrative completely. If the Exynos 2600 performs anywhere close to what these early leaks suggest, then we're not just looking at a powerful new processor, we're witnessing the resurgence of Samsung Foundry and the rebirth of Exynos itself. And honestly, I'm all for it.